Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this DIY non-greasy brightening body butter for all skin type. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. To get started with today's brightening butter, I have in my beaker 150 grams of shea butter, and the next I'm adding is my cetyl alcohol. I'm adding 10 grams of cetyl alcohol. And the next is my cocoa butter. For my cocoa butter, I have 20 grams of cocoa butter. You can use any other butter of choice. And after adding my butters, I'm going to melt it over a low heat in a double boiling method. At this point, my butters are melted. I'm now adding my liquid oils. And the first oil I'm adding is my grapeseed oil. I have 44 grams of grapeseed oil. And the next is my aloe vera oil, 22 grams of aloe vera oil. And the next is my argan oil. I'm adding 45 grams of argan oil. And at this point, I'm going to put it in my freezer so that the oils and butters will solidify. At this point, the oils and butters are solidified, so I'm going to use my hand mixer to whip the butter. So here I noticed I brought it out too early, then I place it back in the freezer before whipping it again. So here is the consistency. At this point, I'm adding my arrowroot powder. And the next is my vitamin E oil. For my vitamin E oil, I have 3 grams of vitamin E oil and 3 grams of my arrowroot powder. If you don't have the arrowroot powder, you can also use cornstarch for this. So after whipping it for a while, and I use my hand blender to blend a little, then the next I'm adding my ingredients. I'm adding my essential oil. That's the next ingredient I'm adding. And for my essential oils, I use 3 grams of essential oil. You can also combine essential oils to have a combined fragrance. And the next is my chamomile oil and my chamomile extract. I made this myself. Below this video, I'm going to drop the link on how to make this extract at home. So at this point, the next I added is my rose hip powder. And this is the powder that gave it the color you saw on the screen earlier. So after adding my powder, I'm going to mix it. And if you don't have rose hip powder, you can use hibiscus. A pinch of hibiscus powder can give you this shade of color as well. So after mixing it, and the next thing I'm going to do at this point is to transfer it into a sterilized container. So guys, like I mentioned earlier, this body butter is for all skin type. Any skin type can use this body butter. It doesn't bleach. It's only tone the skin. So guys, if you made it this far in this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Don't forget to share my videos and use the comment section. I would love to read your comments. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so, and remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.